Hello guys, hi, this is Syed Makram. Hope you're doing good. Let's get started as we're covering the series on Excel, and let's see what we have today. And we are talking about now is on, let's see what we have today. It's on understanding of order of operation Excel. So let's see what's the order of operation Excel and how it's work out. So we do have a sheet which consists of like item A and item B and C in dollars. And for calculating this, it's a simple formula. We have equal to, and then click on this, add the item, plus add this, plus add this, simple, and enter. You can see we got an exact value 305. By adding ABC, we got the subtotal. But we need the total because total is equal to item A plus item B plus item C is equal to $305, plus we need to act like we need to add up taxes over here, right guys? So the tax is 8%. So let's see how we can calculate that one. So I can calculate the 8% by like equal to I can give, and we can add up like subtotal. It will be 305, is it? And then I can add like 8% of taxes, C7 I can add, and that's it. I think so. That's simple, is it guys? Let's see what happens now. Oh, it's just calculated it thing, and then it has given C plus C6. It calculated 8%, and then overall with 305, and the result we got is just 305.08%, which is not right. Let's see what we can do. We need to add by, again I can add by into 1 because it's 108% total. We can add this value. Let's see what we can have the value. See again guys, it's not working because C6 plus C7 into 1, again it's not into 1, it's plus 1, because we are at C7 into, because we are doing multiplication for it, because we are adding the percentage into percentage of the value. So let's see what we got. It's 25.40 what we are getting, is it? Okay guys, it's wrong. Let's see what's happened and let's calculate the thing properly. See guys, this is about 305, and this is we are getting calculated 8% of it. So how we are calculating, we see just C6 into C7, but we want C7 plus 1 to be get calculated first, because if we calculate this first, then the exact value will be same, because 108% of 307 we are calculating, because that will be the right value, because this is 100%, and then into 8% of it, it will be the exact value what we are having, right? So let's see how we can calculate that one. Okay, let's see, evaluate. We have the formula session, we have like formula editing. Let's see, formula editing. We click on this, click on formula editing, evaluate formula, and then check on what's happening. Evaluate 305. We are having C6 as 305, right? C7 as 0.08%, right? Then it calculated 24.4, like 24.4, because it calculated this first, and then plus 1, it has given the answer 25 plus 40. We don't want this. So what is the value? That's why we have here, or understanding the order of operation in Excel. So what it did is, because we are having plus after the dividing, because understand the order of operation in Excel, here Excel operates in this format. First it will calculate the parenthesis, this all, whatever should be, will be this there in this, it will calculate first, then exponent, then multiplication, then division, then it will calculate addition, then afterward it will calculate the subtraction. Let's see now what we need to do. We need to just simple put, let's see, simple, we need to put parenthesis. So what we need to put, this one we can put over here. Let's check. So we need to put, because we need to calculate first C7 plus 1, so that it will be 108 percentage, and then it will calculate the thing. Now check bash. Exactly what we are getting right now is the right value, because the 8 we are adding 8 percentage of the total of 305, and we are adding up over here, and 305 8 percentage is equal to 24 somewhat. And then if we do this, we can do over here, see, equal to, if we're calculating 305 into, then 8 percentage is equal to, now let's take beginning, equal to 305 into C7 plus enter. See guys, 24 plus 0, 24.04, like 40, and then calculate. Let's do this addition over here. It's like 305. Let's see what's the value we are getting now. It's 329.40 guys over here, you could see down, and exactly we got the same result